What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We're back in my bathroom one more again, and we're coming at you today. I guess I don't know why I say we. It's like a collective we. Okay, this is a community thing. This is a me, you, us, everybody situation. Anyway, today we have a dreadlock style tutorial. As I've told y'all before, and as you can see in my last video, click on the eye above. I am in grad school right now. I just started last month in August, and it's been very challenging and difficult, but also fun and exciting. All of those emotions all wrapped into one. It's just very time consuming also and exhausting. So I don't have as much time as I would like to do videos about my hair and about what's going on. And I will try to post at least once every 2 weeks on an actual dreadlock video thing situation. I just want to say thank you for your patience and thank you for bearing with me through this transitional period of my life. My priorities are changing, and so that means that things that used to be higher on my list, like my YouTube channel, is a little bit lower now because I really have to focus on school. And if I'm trying to get a master's degree, you kind of got to put all yourself into it. So that's just a little tidbit about that. Anyway, jumping into this video, what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to recreate the bun I had a few days ago. I wore it actually last week to the Wichita African Union's annual banquet. I'm actually in a music group, Swahili band. It's a East African music group, and we sing in English and Swahili. It's really fun. We played that night, and I decided to, you know, dress up for the occasion. And so I had this awesome tunic that I got while I was in Orlando, and I wore that with just some white pants to kind of keep it, you know, casual, although it was very, you know, dressy, the look, you know, the blue tunic with all the stitching and everything. And yeah, so I just want to recreate that bun and that look for you all, so that way if you would like to wear it, you can do that as well. So let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so first things first, retwist your hair as per usual. If you want your look to be extremely tight and defined and really crisp, retwist your roots. Y'all keep talking about my roots too. Y'all just keep coming for me about my roots. I be posting pictures on Instagram and y'all just be like, so, sir, when you gonna get your hair retwisted? Like, I understand. I already made a video about why I don't retwist my roots every, 2 weeks, and you can click that if you want to watch that too. But anyway, yes, first, retwist your hair. For this particular look, I 2-strand twisted all of my locks. There's also a video on how to do that. You saw the Instagram photo. If you didn't, check that out. I will insert this right here. Looks nice, right? It looks nice. I think I did a good job. I'm gonna take my hair out of this little bun that we got right here. Actually, I'll just take it all the way down. What's this? Oh Lord, some flowers. Probably from when I was outside yesterday and today. I've been going out a lot this weekend for Labor Day. I went out Friday night, I went out Saturday night, I went out Sunday night. I even had a little bit of fun tonight. Well, not tonight, but during the day of Labor Day. It's just been a great weekend. Anyway, this is what my hair looks like right now with the 2-strand twist. So in order to do this bun, you're gonna take all of your hair, use one of these this is a very stretched out elastic band, but you're gonna wanna use these, and it's a cotton one. I mean, you can use a regular, like smaller one like this if you want to. Actually, that's what I did. Just look at me. You see, when you talk through things out loud, you're able to really process and work through your situation. Okay, so use this small band. I'm gonna throw all of my hair forward and then throw it back. Throw it forward, throw it back. Now, what you wanna do is first, make sure that all of your hair in the back is flat against your head. You don't want any of your locks to kind of like be loose or anything like that. So all of those locks are laying against my head. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna make a ponytail, probably like a high ponytail. So you'll just do that. Pull your locks in your hand like so. I think that's all of them. Yep. And then you're just gonna loop this around once. Pull the locks through. And then one more time. So there. right now. This is kind of towards the back of my head, which is actually okay. We'll do it like this for today. This is just inspired by that look. It doesn't have to be exactly the same. Remember, inspiration is just using the idea as a template. That doesn't mean it has to be the exact same thing. Doesn't have to be a direct copy. Just using it for inspiration. So, making sure that all those locks are really tight on the top of your head. And then also just feel the back to make sure that all those locks are good, which they feel like they are. Okay, now I mean, you can wear your locks down like this, especially if your locks are a lot longer. That would look really cool with really long 2-strand twists, which is why I can't wait for my locks to get longer, because when you have rope twists or 2-strand twists and they're just super long and just thick and chunky and they like go to like your belly button, like that's pretty cool. I can't wait till my hair gets that long. Anyway, what you're gonna do with the bun is you're going to take your locks, pretend that this is the rubber band and this is your lock. You're gonna take the lock and bend it over and then around the elastic band. So for this one up front, this little right here, we're gonna take it and then we're going to bend it and just use the tail of the lock to go underneath the rubber band. So you make a little loop like so. And you just take all the locks and do that all the way around. So you're taking the lock and you're stuffing it underneath the rubber band. That's it, basically. And you're gonna go all the way around your head, so that way when you're done, you'll have a cool kind of flower petal situation like what I had. Now you may also just wanna make sure you have locks of different lengths, so that way they look kind of, you know, different, but yeah. And just keep going in the same direction, basically. So in this case, we're gonna go around clockwise. So take the hair, take the side ponytail thing, and just loop it through. Oh, that ain't right. That ain't right. That is not okay. Come on now, Justin. There we go. There we go. Okay, cool. And the cool thing is too, is that if you have 3 different bands, you don't have to grab, or if you wrap the rubber band 3 times around your hair, you don't have to grab on the same rotation of the band to stuff your locks, which is why it kind of helps hold them all together. So if you kind of alternate between the different parts, it makes it easier to do it. Hold on, hold it, hold it, hold it. So I'm gonna do the rest of these and then I will come back later, okay? Hold on a second. Once you get to the back part, I will say it's definitely just kind of feeling it out. Feeling and checking the mirror to see that it looks okay. Because you can't really see back there, so you just gotta let your hands see for you, essentially. I will say also, if you're doing this one at a time, you can definitely have a cleaner look with your bun. If you're doing multiple twists and trying to kind of rush it, you're gonna have a different result. It may not look as nice as you want it to. So definitely take your time. Even if you're tired and it's like 1:30 in the morning, definitely, you know, ease your way through this process. Don't rush it, don't rush it. There's no point, there's no reason to do it, like why? Okay, quick break. I gotta get these last few ones. Woo! Oh, wow. That was painful, but we did it. We are done. Okay, can I make sure the back looks okay? Yeah, I'm cool with it, I'm cool with it. So yes, so once you're done, it's really quick. It only took me 6 minutes. Not too bad, not too shabby. It's quick little, you know, obviously you have to retwist your hair and then also do the 2-strand twist, which took me 3 hours. So technically the style is like 3 hours in its full entirety. But if you just happen to already have your hair 2-strand twisted, I mean, then you know, an extra 6 minutes would not hurt. I'm just saying. Plus, it looks really cool, elegant, formal. Like, it's very regal. Definitely like breathes like AFROPUNK and like Wakanda vibes, you know, with Black Panther coming out. I'm just, actually, this would be a good hairstyle for the Black Panther premiere. Ooh! I know how I'm gonna wear my hair. I know, and I'm gonna wear my tunic too, child. I'm gonna be all the way African out. All the way. Okay, yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Anyway, let me give y'all 360 so you can check out what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's the look. Well, we made.
Okay, so we ain't done yet. Hold on, we got one more thing to talk about.
Also, another thing to know, when you have this style or any type of style in general, and you have a style where it's a bun, how you protect this style for as long as possible. Number one, lay your edges. I have this very thick band. Put this over your hair. Make sure that everything is brushed really good. Watch the bun, watch the bun. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Okay. And I think it's still intact. Put this on so that way, on the front and back, so that way all of the hair will stay laid down when you take it off in the morning. And I'm about to go to sleep anyway. And then if you want to do the do-rag, scarf, or a bonnet, if you like me and you're lazy, just throw it on. Just throw it on. I know it looks silly. I don't really care. I just know that when I wake up, my hair's gonna be looking good. So that's what it's for. Do that. If you don't want to, don't say I ain't tell you. Do not say I ain't warn you. Don't wake up talking about my hair all frizzy. I wish you would. I did. I did. This is for you, okay, boo-boo? This for you. That's the video. That's the tutorial. I hope y'all enjoyed it. You know, I'm not gonna be back super frequently, like as I said before, but I'm going to try to be as present as I can be, as much as school allows. This is going to be a very busy 4 months for my life, so I just hope that y'all are understanding of why I can't post as much as usual. Although I want to do some stuff for Halloween in October, so there may be more videos coming that month, so stay tuned for that. There are at least two videos scheduled for September. So we got this hair video, and the next one's actually gonna be like a skincare thing, because I just can't be having y'all looking ashy during winter, okay? I can't. It would be a disservice not only to yourself, but to me, to allow you to walk around looking ashy and gray, okay? This is not 50 Shades of Gray. We're gonna have some 50 Shades of melanin popping for the winter, okay? Okay, we're gonna get through this together, okay? So watch out for those videos. Anyway, if you liked this video, if you found the information helpful, give it a thumbs up. You know, do that little thing. If you have any questions about this look or style or anything in general, just hit me up in the comment section below. Also hit me up on social media. You can find me most frequently on Instagram or Snapchat. I'm still trying to post daily about how my life is going and things on those two platforms. And then also, if you like it, subscribe. If you watched this video and like what you saw, hit that button, hit the bell notification, better yet, so that way when I post, and especially since it's going to be not as frequent as usual, you will get a notification directly to your inbox that, hey, I uploaded a video, you should watch it. So do that shit. Well, without further ado, last week's video is right there. There's a playlist of more Dreadlock videos over there in the bottom corner, and also this little circle over my face is the subscribe icon, so you can click that as well if you have not done it already. Alrighty, I will see y'all when I see y'all. Keep it locked. I will see y'all later, and peace.